testing. Today on the 22nd of May 2023 we have Orvokkikuja, Pilgrim 2 Stekes A here in Tikkurila, Vantaa, Vantaa, Finland with 5 floors. It has this rare panel here.
Yeah.
High up like that. 5 floors. It's built in 1985. Maybe this is also from the beginning of 1985, but we'll check that later.
Yeah.
Turning 35 years old in 2020, gonna be expecting it the next year, 2024, and the silver is 63642. I think it feels like early 1985.
Yeah.
Let's get to it here. Yeah, also amazing.
Yeah.
I love the sounds in here. This is a type of panel, they experimented with it like that,
yeah.
Up in the beginning of 1985.
Inspected by Kone and maintained by Kone.
But that experiment with this panel high up here,
yeah,
it was a failure, so they put it lower. I must say, frankly, this idea of putting it like that is a bit weird.
Yeah.
So, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Occupied side. I'll go and have a look at the alarm bell.